I am now doing my unboxing of the Logitech Gaming Keyboard G510. I have been long awaiting getting this keyboard, but waiting for the right price. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing, and we have some friends here. So anyways, okay, so we're going to get this open. I'll grab some scissors, and you guys can look at my Skyrim monitors. Okay. I think someone would have a smart idea of maybe doing an unboxing video and actually having, I don't know, a tripod. Okay. Let's check this out here. Oh my goodness. We have another interested person over here who really wants this box, and someone else over there. And there we go. I think she likes it. Lucy could give a shit. She doesn't fucking care. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh man. Very nice. I've heard very good things about this. I've been, like I said, I've been very excited. Oh, and one of the best parts of getting new electronics, taking off that wrapping. Nice. Oh, I like that. It has a little bit of a grip to it on the bottom. And so then here's all the instruction manuals and the driver, which I've heard this is really good and easy to walk through. So there we go. That's the new keyboard right there. So very cool, and I'll show you it all lit up in just a second. Okay, so I have officially finished unboxing it. You have seen the tutorial video that was pretty freaking awesome.